In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn rewards by completing a Monopoly Go offer on a verified reward platform. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device and search for verified reward platforms. You may come across well-known options such as Swagbucks or Inbox Dollars. The key here is to use a platform that has a strong reputation and clearly explains how its reward offers work. Take a moment to look through the search results and choose a site that appears trustworthy, easy to navigate, and suitable for your region. Once you've chosen a reward site, go ahead and create an account. During sign up, you'll typically be asked for basic account information, so the platform can track your progress and deliver your rewards properly. Make sure you enter your details carefully and complete any required verification steps. This is important because if your account is not set up correctly from the beginning, your offer progress may not register the way it should. After your account is ready, log in and head to the main dashboard or offers section. This is where the available tasks and promotions are usually listed. Look for the Monopoly Go offer and open it to review the details. Before you begin, read the offer requirements carefully. Reward platforms often have specific rules, such as installing the game through their tracking link, completing certain milestones, and finishing everything within a set time frame. Understanding these conditions before you start can help you avoid missing out on the payout. When you're ready, begin the Monopoly Go task and focus on completing the required board level milestones listed in the offer. Progress matters here, so try to stay organized and keep track of the levels you need to reach. It's also a good idea to check the offer page occasionally while you're working through the game, just to confirm that you're following the correct requirements and staying within the allowed time limit. As you complete each milestone, the reward platform may take some time to update your progress, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. The most important thing is to finish the required board levels before the deadline stated in the offer. Once all the conditions are met, the payout should be processed according to the platform's normal reward schedule. And that's it. If you follow the steps carefully, use a verified reward platform, and complete the Monopoly Go milestones on time, you'll put yourself in the best position to successfully earn the reward.